In this video, we're diving into how the ClickUp affiliate program can help you build an extra income stream by sharing a tool that you already love. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions and turn your knowledge into income. Now, affiliate marketing might sound complicated, but at its core, it's about recommending products you believe in. When someone signs up through your link, you receive a reward. With ClickUp's huge user base and passionate community, the affiliate program offers a straightforward way to monetize your influence. So whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media following, or just a strong professional network, you can leverage those connections to earn commissions. This guide will explain how the ClickUp affiliate program works, the commission structure, steps to sign up, and strategies to attract referrals. You'll also learn how to track and optimize your results and combine affiliate income with other ClickUp offerings like consulting or templates. Now, why promote ClickUp? So before promoting any product, ask yourself this: does it solve real problems? In ClickUp's case, the answer is yes. Project management can be messy. Multiple tools, scattered information, and missed deadlines. ClickUp brings everything into one place, and people rave about its ability to streamline collaboration. It's this enthusiasm that makes ClickUp easy to recommend, because you're not pitching a gimmick. You're sharing a solution that improves productivity. Now, because ClickUp offers a free plan, prospects can sign up without a financial risk. Many free users eventually upgrade to paid plans as their team grows, and your referrals have long-term potential. And the platform is consistently evolving, adding features that make it competitive with more expensive tools. When you recommend ClickUp, you introduce your audience to a robust system that scales with them. Understanding the commission structure. ClickUp's affiliate program pays a fixed amount per activated workspace. An activated workspace typically means a new account that completes certain steps, such as inviting team members or creating tasks. The exact requirements can vary, so always check the current terms on the partner portal. The payout amount depends on the country from which the referral originates. As of recent information, referrals from countries like the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand often earn around $20 per workspace activation. These countries are considered tier 1 markets because they usually have larger budgets. Referrals from many European countries, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Belgium, Sweden, and others may earn around $5 per activation. Referrals from developing regions, Brazil, Mexico, India, Nigeria, and others might earn between 50 cents to $1 per activation. The program uses cookies with durations typically ranging from 30 to 90 days. This means if someone clicks your link but doesn't sign up immediately, you'll still get credit if they activate within the cookie window. Now, commissions are usually paid monthly via PayPal once you reach a minimum threshold, usually $20. Payment methods can occasionally change, so it's worth checking the latest details. ClickUp may also run promotional periods where commissions increase or contests with bonus payouts. Keeping an eye on your affiliate dashboard or partner emails ensures that you don't miss these opportunities. Eligibility and rules. Now, not everyone qualifies automatically. You need to be at least 18 years old, provide a working PayPal account, other payment methods may be added in the future, having a website, social media presence, email list, or another platform to promote ClickUp. The program wants to ensure you can reach potential users. Now, rules to keep in mind: no spamming. Don't send unsolicited emails or post your link indiscriminately in forums. No false claims. Represent the tool honestly. Don't promise earnings or features that ClickUp doesn't offer. No bidding on ClickUp's brand keywords. If you run ads, avoid bidding on keywords like ClickUp official website or ClickUp pricing. Respect privacy laws. If you collect emails, comply with GDPR and can spam regulations. Breaking the rules could result in loss of commissions or removal from the program, so it's important to follow guidelines. Step by step, joining the program. Joining ClickUp's affiliate program is super straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit the affiliate portal. Start at ClickUp's partner or affiliate page. We'll leave it down in the description below. Look for a button that says join or become an affiliate. Complete the application. Provide your name, email, website URL, and a brief description of how you plan to promote ClickUp. If you have a social media following or email list, mention it. The more detail you provide, the better your chances of approval. Next, wait for approval. The review process may take a few days. ClickUp's team wants to ensure affiliates align with their values and marketing guidelines. Access your dashboard. Once approved, you'll receive login details for the affiliate dashboard. The portal contains your unique referral link, marketing assets, and reporting tools. Set up payment information. Enter your PayPal email or another payment method if available. This ensures that there are no delays when commissions are due. Developing a promotion strategy. So the key to affiliate success is providing value. Instead of just pushing a link everywhere, focus on educating your audience and explaining how ClickUp solves their problems. Here are some proven strategies. Create helpful content. People consume content in different formats, so use a mix to maximize your reach. Tutorial articles. Write blog posts or articles showing how to set up ClickUp for specific use cases. For example, setting up a content calendar, managing client projects, or tracking software bugs. Include screenshots or short videos. Comparison posts. Compare ClickUp to other project management tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday. Highlight ClickUp's strengths such as its all-in-one approach and affordability. Review videos. Film a detailed review of ClickUp. Explain what you like, what could be improved, and how it fits different business sizes. People appreciate transparency. Step-by-step guides. Show how to migrate from another tool to ClickUp. Walk through exporting data, importing it into ClickUp, and setting up tasks and custom fields. Use clear headings, bullet points, and images to keep your content digestible. At the end, include a call to action, encouraging readers or viewers to sign up through your link. Share real success stories. Storytelling sells. If you use ClickUp yourself or have clients who do, share how it improved productivity, reduced stress, or increased revenue. Include tangible metrics. Our team cut meeting times by 50%, or we saved 3 hours per week on reporting. This social proof encourages others to try the tool. Build an email sequence. If you have an email list, create a sequence to introduce ClickUp over several days. For example, day 1, identify the pain point. Discuss productivity challenges and how having too many apps creates confusion. Day 3, introduce ClickUp. Share your experience discovering ClickUp and immediate benefits you noticed. Day 5, demonstrate value. Provide a quick tutorial or case study. Day 7, offer a bonus. Give subscribers a free checklist or mini template if they sign up through your link. A thoughtful sequence nurtures interest and educates your audience, leading to higher conversions. Use social proof and testimonials. Ask people who signed up through your link to share feedback. Display these testimonials on your website or social media. A quote like, "I signed up using your name's link and their tutorial made the setup painless." That kind of thing builds trust. Run webinars or live demos. Host live sessions where you walk viewers through ClickUp's features. Live events allow people to ask questions and see the tool in action. At the end of the webinar, share your affiliate link and provide a limited time bonus for signing up. For instance, you might offer a mini template pack or a discount on your consultation services. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with influencers in adjacent niches. For example, if you specialize in marketing, team up with a designer who explains how to use ClickUp for creative projects. You can co-create content, cross-promote your links, and expand your reach. Optimize for search engines. Use keywords strategically. If your article or video shows up when someone searches ClickUp review or ClickUp versus Sauna, you'll attract organic traffic. Include relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and descriptions. Write meta descriptions that encourage click-throughs. Over time, high-ranking content can generate recurring affiliate income with minimal maintenance. Leverage paid ads cautiously. Now, some affiliates run ads to drive traffic to their content. Now, before doing this, review ClickUp's advertising guidelines to avoid bidding on restricted keywords. For example, run a Facebook ad that sends users to your article about how ClickUp helped you manage your business. Tracking results and improving. Once you start promoting, monitor your performance. Your affiliate dashboard provides key metrics like clicks, signups, and earnings. To improve results, analyze click-through rate, or CTR. If your link gets many views but few clicks, your call to action might need tweaking. Monitor conversion rates. If people click but don't convert, review your content. Are you addressing common objections? Does your article clearly explain how to sign up and use ClickUp? Split test. Try different headlines, images, and calls to action. For example, test get ClickUp free versus boost your productivity with ClickUp in your emails. Ask your audience why they did or didn't sign up. You may discover hidden barriers that you can address. Be patient. Affiliate marketing often grows slowly. As your content library expands, so does your reach and potential earnings. Combining affiliate income with other ClickUp income streams. Affiliate marketing is powerful on its own, but you can increase your revenue by combining it with other ClickUp services. Consulting. Offer a free consultation to people who sign up through your link. This creates an upsell opportunity for a paid setup or training. Templates. After someone signs up, promote your templates. Offer a discount if they used your affiliate link. Courses or workshops. Invite your audience to enroll in a paid mini course on automations or reporting. The course can include your affiliate link as part of the materials for those who haven't signed up yet. This layered approach turns a one-time click into a long-term relationship. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to remain loyal to you and to the ClickUp ecosystem. Managing legal obligations. Affiliate marketing has some legal considerations. To stay compliant, disclose your relationship. So be transparent when you share your link. Simple statements like, as an affiliate, I may earn a commission if you sign up through my link, ensures that your audience knows you benefit. Follow the platform's guidelines. Each social platform has rules about affiliate disclosures. For example, Instagram requires placing #ad or #sponsored in promotional posts. So comply with international tax and data laws. If you collect any personal information or receive income in other currencies, consult with an accountant or tax professional. Being honest builds trust and keeps you out of trouble. Common challenges and how to overcome them. So affiliate marketing isn't always smooth sailing. Here are some common challenges that you might face and ways to overcome them. Low traffic. If you don't have many visitors yet, focus on building an audience before expecting significant commissions. Publish consistent content. Engage on social media and consider guest posting on larger sites in your niche. Low conversions. Maybe people click your link, but they don't sign up. So revisit your content. Are you solving the right problems? Are your explanations clear? Consider adding video demonstrations or case studies to increase trust. Changing commission rates. Affiliate programs occasionally change their terms. So keep an eye on partner emails and update your strategies if commission amounts shift. Diversify your income sources. Consulting, templates, so that you're not solely dependent on commissions. Competition. Many people promote ClickUp. Differentiate yourself by offering unique bonuses like free onboarding checklists, focusing on specific niches, for example, ClickUp for teachers, or presenting information in a more engaging way like interactive webinars. So the ClickUp affiliate program is a legitimate way to earn money by sharing a productivity tool that helps teams work smarter. It doesn't require significant startup costs, and you can scale it over time through helpful content, email campaigns, and community engagement. Remember that success depends on your ability to educate and connect with your audience. Don't just plaster your link everywhere. Show how ClickUp can transform workflows and share your own experiences. When people see the genuine value, they're more likely to sign up and stick around, earning you a commission. So by understanding the commission structure, following the rules, developing a thoughtful promotion strategy, and combining affiliate income with other ClickUp offerings, you can build a sustainable revenue stream. So start small, track your progress, and refine your approach as you learn what resonates with your audience. Now, if you want to get started with ClickUp, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.